Hi everybody, I'm here in Nassau and I'm going to give you a tour of their new port. So, welcome to another Journey with Josh. Okay, so we have to go downstairs and then we'll get off the ship. Right now we are on the Silhouette. Really nice ship, a lot of fun, food's good. Drinks are so-so, but we're having a great time, and I thought I would give you guys a tour of the new port that they built. I think they spent $1 billion or something, and they're still expanding stuff, so looking forward to going and seeing it for the first time. Just getting off the ship, the new piers that they've built are really nice piers. They have like these little stone tiles in the center of it. It just looks nice. Really nice day to day. Probably about 79 right now, maybe 78. So it's really nice. We're getting up before it gets warm. Keep you out of the sun. And how nice. We've got Celebrity Summit and Celebrity Silhouette side by side. Still like Summit. Summit's a really nice ship. Extremely nice view of that golf cart. Thank you. Let's try to see. Yeah, you get a really nice view of Atlantis from the exit here. Okay, let's go see the rest. We've got bathrooms right out here. That's good to know for some people. And of course, that's the line getting back in. Checking for passes. Good line. Now behind me you can see they've got a tour office here. I guess that's where you can get your own excursions, taxis, and all that kind of stuff. That's also a nice to have here too, and stuff, having all those individual booths and people hollering at you and stuff. I think that's kind of nice. Now you've got a very well organized market here where you can buy souvenirs, t-shirts and stuff. That's really nice. One of the great things that I see so far is they opened up a wine bar. It's just now opening up. Maybe they're still doing a little bit of construction, but this could be a lot of fun for some people. So check it out next time you come. Okay, we just peeked in a little bit. What it really is it's more of like an art gallery that sells wine and also a couple of cocktails there too. But a neat little concept to get people in to view some art. Didn't look at the prices for the wine, but the cocktails were about 15 bucks. yeah, some nice art in there too. So that was kind of cool. Didn't want to like go in there and video any of the art because they're not supposed to do that. But yeah, we're enjoying this. This is very clean. There's an area here for concerts. Really nice concerts there. And of course you've got MSC Shipmate right beside us. So yeah, all in all, I like this new port that they built here. It's really nice. A lot of nice shops, crafts. There was food items that they had. A few of the kiosks selling mixed drinks. Some of them selling drinks in a pineapple. Prices, of course, are going to be more expensive here because, you know, these people have to pay to be here. They have to pay rent. The prices are going to be a little bit more expensive here, but at least it's clean. You feel safe here. There's places to sit down and relax. Very well done, Nassau. Very well done. Okay, everybody, so we're at the straw market across the street from where all the ships are, and it is a little bit nicer than I remember. The one thing that I can say is that getting off the ship, you're not bombarded by people trying to hawk whatever they're trying to sell or whatever. So it's a much nicer experience for people. And even walking through the straw market, it's not as chaotic as it used to be. And some people want to do some deals, don't pay the first price that they give you. Some people don't want a deal, that's alright. But yeah, it's a much nicer experience this time around. It's really nice because you don't want to get off the ship and feel like you're in danger. So yeah, much nicer experience. Okay, so some final thoughts here on the new port here. It's very clean. Feel very safe while you're in the port here, which is nice. I know a lot of people recently have been saying that they didn't really feel safe getting off the ship, and even some YouTubers were recommending people not do that. So I think you should at least try getting off the ship, checking out this port, all that the new stuff has to offer. I think you'll enjoy it. If you don't want to deal with people yelling at you, trying to sell stuff, then just stay in that area. But if you don't mind, I think taking a look at the straw market is not necessarily a bad choice. It's cleaned up a whole lot more, and it's not as aggressive as it used to be. And I'll finish up when I get on the ship. And I just want to say also, you know, if you happen to go over to the straw market, don't be afraid to dicker a little bit. If they want to sell it, they'll sell it. If they don't want to sell it, they won't. But don't pay the first price they offer. And you know, as we were walking over to the market, there were people trying to get people to get their hair braided. Wasn't really aggressive, but you know, they're yelling for people to come over and, hey, let me braid your hair, let me braid your daughter's hair. There's some things to think about. I didn't find a problem with it, unlike years past. So I think they've cleaned it up a little bit. And I think it'll be a little bit better experience for you. So get off the ship in Nassau, give it a chance. If not for a couple hours at least. See something new. Add a little bit of character to your cruise. I'll finish up on the ship. So we're back on the ship, and I just wanted to say I hope you enjoyed the tour of the port. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for tripping with me.